WebDot. Hey there, welcome to my WebDot review. This is a Warrior Plus launch which has this quite interesting looking technology where it has these heat maps and website real live time tracking of what your visitors are doing on the website, and it's also got a built-in website builder with done for you templates. So it looks quite an interesting launch with WebDot. I'm going to dive in with a demo and talk about exactly how this works and what I like the look of and what I don't. My name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I generate a full-time income on the internet with digital marketing, and I've been doing this for over 10 years now. I'm being very focused on traffic generation and list building as my main strategy. If you click the link below, click the link in the video description, you can discover my current top recommended system to plug into right now. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really excellent way to get started building up realistic online income. So check out the link in the video description for my current #1 system. So WebDot, it's another Warrior Plus launch which claims they've got some special AI software app to help make money with a website. So whilst I'm skeptical about the claim it uses AI and that it is AI driven, the actual tool does seem quite useful in that it lets you do real-time tracking of your visitors' actions on the website, so you can see what they are browsing. You can see how they're interacting with your website, where they're leaving, what they're interacting with, what links they're clicking, what pages they stay on, so you can improve your conversions of your website. So the first part of WebDot is to add your own domain name, so you can actually mask a domain name you own to the WebDot software without actually having to use a subdomain on the WebDot site, which is good. A lot of these Warrior Plus launches, you can only use a subdomain on the Warrior Plus launch website, which I'm not keen on because these launches come and go. So in a couple of months, maybe the website's down. So it's better to have control over your own domain and hosting. So they've got this inbuilt website builder where they give you a done-for-you website and then you can tweak it. And these websites look quite good for local businesses. So if you're an agency and you want to build websites for local business owners, these look like good sort of website templates to use for that. And so you can just tweak the text, the logo, the images. So just give you a template to start with, and you can tweak it to promote whatever you want. And one of the good things is it lets you export a zip file of the website code. So then you can then export this zip file to your own cPanel on your own hosting account. And that's good to see, because my main criticism of a lot of these other Warrior Plus launches is that you're not using your own domain or hosting, you're just using a subdomain on the Warrior Plus product page. So it's much better to use the software than export the files onto your own hosting, so you have full control over the authority and reputation of that domain and hosting account. You're not dependent on the website of a Warrior Plus vendor. So it gives you all the instructions and training on how to export this to your own cPanel, so you can use your own hosting account. Then you add a line of code, then you go back to the WebDot members area, and then you can see the real-time visitors. So you can test it yourself, you can browse your own website, and then go to WebDot, and it will show you yourself as a live visitor, and then you can go in and see how that visitor is interacting. You can see a live view of what they're doing. You can initiate a recording, so there's a screen recording of what the visitor is seeing and how they are interacting with your website. So that seems like a clever and useful tool to see how people interact with your page. And this would also be useful to do on smaller websites when you've simply just got a squeeze page or maybe a bridge page, and you can see which bits and pieces people are interacting with, even in a more simple direct sales style sales funnel, not just a big blog style website. So this looks quite useful. It's not brand new and revolutionary, this type of approach. On the website, they actually list the competitors of this type of software. So they've got, and they're just giving you examples of the pricing for these different alternatives. They've got LogRocket, Mouseflow, Instapage, Hotjar, Heatmap, Smart Look. So there are other tools out there doing this. I believe even Google Analytics, to a certain extent, you can do stuff like that for free and using WordPress plugins as well. So it's not a new thing. This has been out for a while. It's just a low-priced software you can get via Warrior Plus launch at a one-time low price, which is pretty cool. However, when it's these specialized services, I would prefer to go via a direct, well-known, high reputation service that's been around for several years and is focused simply on this task, rather than a internet marketing product launch vendor who launches a new product every single month. Because they've got so many products to juggle, they're going to be less focused on each specific service, so it could be harder to get support when there's an issue with things. So overall, I don't think it's quite as quick and easy as the sales page makes out. They just claim you create a website, automate some sort of conversion, and then you're going to get commissions rolling in. It's not like that, but it does provide good analytics if you know how to tweak your website for better conversions based on the data that's given to you. It doesn't seem to use AI much, and it doesn't seem to automatically update the website to improve it based on your visitor interactions. So I think the AI phrase is a bit of hype and a bit of buzz, and it's not very accurate, but the whole heat map visitor tracking does look like a pretty cool tool for those who know how to use it. For me, what I focus on is driving traffic to squeeze pages to build an email list and then get daily clicks from that email list to high converting, high paying, high quality affiliate offers. And I just repeat that step day in, day out. Traffic to squeeze pages, building a list, clicks to high converting pages. And it's that simple process has worked for me over 10 years. So I'm less interested in the hype and the buzz around AI and ChatGPT when a simple traffic and list building approach is still working well nowadays. So if you click the link in the video description, you can discover my current #1 recommended system to plug into right now. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really excellent way to get started building your email list and earning realistic full-time income on the internet. So click the link below for my current top system. Thanks again for checking out my WebDot review. All the best and speak soon.